Maybe not. Kept going left, and then I tried compensating, and then
I thought I couldn't shoot it today like that, man. You know why? Because my shoulder. Can feel my shoulders weird out. So that's 5 shot. This is something else from that other set.
yeah.
So that's a 1 inch off of that gun. This is Carey's gun, 1911 45 ACP. This is the run from the Smith & Wesson 686 shooting 38 special. This is the Glock new trigger system on bench testing the gun. Tight group, 3.5 pound pull, excellent. Of course, this is goodbye shot just to make sure the shooting day ends well. Freehand, 10 yard. Signing out.